Welcome to Best Technologies SMT factory in Vietnam. This is Nancy. Follow me, I will show you our SMT production line. Let's go. Salt paste is very important for the SMT process. We keep them in our refrigerators and we have the temperature monitors like this, 3.1. If more than 10, it will kill alarm. And let's see what type of the salt paste we use. Right now we use the most three different. First one is the Samara. We see the age is 1%. And the second one is this one. The silver is 3%. And the last one is from the alpha. And the silver is also 3%. We will choose the different salt paste according to the different components, different SMT technologies to get the best salt joint performance. After we take salt paste from the refrigerator, we will put them for 4 hours so that temperature can come back to the room temperatures. And you see for each bottle of salt paste, we use the mesh systems so we can monitor and make sure we use the right salt paste. After it come back to room temperature, we will put salt paste here, close, and it shake for 2 minutes. After shaking, each different elements will be mixed much better, so for better salting performance. We have the mesh systems in our Vietnam SMT factory. After materials come in, we will print in a label and then place on here so we can know our internal part numbers and also the QR code so we can identify which components belong to which parts. I will show more details later. For each component coming in SMT factory, we will checking the performance such as resistance, captures, also check the 6 screen. You see our quality guy is checking the captures, make sure everything is correct. And also here for resistance and captures, we will keep them 1 samples living in this accuracy report. Make sure everything is correct and traceable. We have 3 high-speed SMT lamps here, but the difference is if you look at carefully, we have 2 machines like a salt paste printers on each line. So you can say we have 6 SMT lines. And each line we have the automatic PCB loaders and then the GKG automatic salt paste printers, the number 1, the most famous in China. And then after we print in the salt paste, you see the 2 lamps, each lamp will come here and go, and this way. That side also come here and go to this salt paste inspector. That means SPI. It's a 3D SPI, so we can make sure the printing of salt paste is correct. It's good enough, then it can go ahead to our pick and place machines. we use the Panasonic NPM. We have two motors, one and two motors. Each motors we can load 17, but let me see more closely. Each feeder we can load two different components. So that means we can load 34 different components on this side. So two sides, that means 68 different components. And then we can here big components. You see our feeder is very big, and if you have components IC BGA, we have this, so we can put the IC in the tray. Here we can put 20 different ICs on each different trays. So totally whole lines we can produce 160 different components use this line. And then we will do the check-ins before go to the reflow ovens. Here you can see 10, we have the 10 different zooms, and also N means nitrigens. So this is the 10 zooms nitrigens have better performance, good sodiums, and also can reduce the voice during the sodium process. Okay, and here you see this is removable for each different product. After we preparing the components, we will put them here. So then any materials is almost running out, our operators will take off this. So very easy close to the production lines. Okay, of course we have the mesh systems to make sure only the correct components loaded on the feeders. And let's go. This is our 3D online AOI. We'll check the components, make sure a good sorting, right directions, no missing files. Also see this, as we said, because this 1 and 2, that means two different size. This machine can check two different boards on the same time. Here you can see the good producers we will loading here, and if we have more testing, we'll do testing. If not, we will go to the package. For each samples, we will do the FAI, first art inspection. We put PCB inside, then we use the camera to take photos so we can identify the location and the direction of components, also checking the missing and something else. And if you want to check the resistance or capacitance values, we can use this to measure. Then she will show you the values. For each samples or each shift, we will do the check-ins. Also, if you adding ECN, we will do the check-in too. Make sure samples are 100% correct. If you have many BGA like this in your PCB, you must have an X-ray machine so that you can check the connection inside the BGA is good or not. If the air bubbles inside any colder sodiums. With this X-ray, we can make sure each component's VGA QFN connectors will be checked 100% to make sure everything is 100% workable. This is our DIP lamps. If you have big orders, we will install the components by hand, and then this is the AOI before the ovens. Make sure components on the right positions and location. Then this is the sun east. Little freeze. You see. By this way, the DIP, the bigger component especially, can have a good sodiums. So we are waiting for your orders so we can run the DIP line 100%. After that, we can do some check-ins. If the sodium is not good enough, we will do some repairings. If everything is good, we will take off from the jig and then back again. After SMT, we will do the function testing. Whatever is a simple board like this or complication board, we will do the function testings using the testing jigs provided by customers or made by our engineers. Make sure each board is 100% functioning. After that, we will do the final quality checking to see the cosmetic. Each product invests technology will be like our art. We will check the cosmetic carefully to see whether it's beautiful or not. Make sure you receive always what you wanted at your office. Now you already see our SMT factory in Vietnam. How's your feelings? If you want to do SMT in Vietnam, welcome to contact us. We will do 100% quality checking to make sure your requirements will be met here. Best technology, always to be your best partners in Asia. Thank you.